Hello everyone, today I have a short, simple, and sweet little baby card using just a paper punch. This is so simple, y'all. Look at this wonderful Metro Garden paper pad. I'm using the Fiskars Elephant Punch. This paper pad is double-sided, it's 6x6. I've chosen these papers. This makes your life so easy if you have a double-sided paper pad. So let's just jump right into it. This Fiskars Elephant Punch is rather large, as you can see. Not too big, but still rather large. I like to punch from the back, especially when using a small piece of paper like this, so I can see what I'm doing. This simply punches out the elephant body and an ear. And you can see, because I was using double-sided paper, how easy this is going to make my life. I just simply flip over that punch and I've got a patterned ear. That's about it for this elephant, folks. I decided to bring over a marker just to give his tail a little different color, and I will also add an eye with the same color marker. Very, very simple. I mean, this is really the focus of the whole baby card this week. Okay, I'll get that ear glued down and we will be moving right along here with our card. Now you can see over there to the right, those are the patterned papers I'm going to use. I like to use a non-conventional baby colors every now and then to make a little more sophisticated card. When I attend showers, the showers tend to be very sophisticated for baby showers, so I decided to replicate that with the choice of papers. So you can see off screen, I've just cut a couple of panels here. This is a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. If you're interested in the supplies and dimensions on what I used to make this card, they're listed below this YouTube video. So pop down there if you're interested in seeing all the supplies and card dimensions. So just using all these coordinating papers to make my life easy and get this card put together very quickly. I have several of these little ovals that I cut out using my Cricut machine, so I just keep those on hand for putting together cards. You could find a sticker or chipboard or anything that you want to add to your card front, but today I'm basically focusing on the punch and the paper pad. So let's get this elephant put down here. And that basically completes my card. I do add a little bit of foam tape behind the elephant's ear just for a little added dimension and interest. And that'll keep that ear from going flat, even though I didn't glue it completely to the body. The foam just props it up just a bit. That completes my card for today. I'm so glad you came over and joined me. I am happy to have you as a visitor. If you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, and I hope to see you again next week. Happy crafting, everyone!